Hey guys, this is Jason. Liang and I have been busy working on the upcoming 11B developer preview. And recently I just got my laptop repaired and shipped back to me from the factory. And I thought that I would use this opportunity to show you how to set up 11B development environments from a nearly bare-bone OS. This is running on Linux, of course. So let's get started. As you can see that this is basically a very simple OS setup. I don't have much installed yet, and then so far the things I've done is that I created an empty folder and then put the pre-built install 11B installer in it. It is actually a shell script that comes with the payload integrated. So let's just run it. So you can see that it checks all the dependencies, and then you just hit confirm, and it starts installing. Yep. So after it finished the decompression, it actually start pulling in the Docker image that's for Go Ethereum, and which is pre-configured by us running on Rinkeby. And it is an image for light clients. Yeah, so let's wait for it to finish extracting. Okay, now it's setting up the Rinkeby testnet. Oh, and right now the 11B setup, this setup particular, use the SSH tunnel to communicate between the UI and the Go Ethereum full node in the container. And then this is just like the previous demo. We're gonna set up some parameters, and one thing particular for this demo is that because we're using a container, we need to point to the Ethereum data dir that's hooked inside the container. So that's normally the yeah. So that would be in the current working directory, and in this case, my home dir /temp, and then there will be a folder created called container, and we're going to use the .ethereum folder inside that. And of course, the Rinkeby testnet ID is 4. Yeah, and then well, we'll just use the default IPFS repo, and just hit confirm and restart. So you can see that despite the fact we start from scratch, start syncing from scratch, it's almost 90. Yeah, I would say almost 90%, over 90% synced. Should be done anytime soon. Okay, so we're done. So right now you're gonna setting up a master password and create a new password archive, and then you log in, and then I think I'll just go through all the usual things that you would do after this is first synced. You would create a new account, say, and then just hit create. Yep, and you have one account now, and then now you can actually use this account and get yourself some test ETH through the faucet. Yeah. Okay, thank you for waiting and watching with me. I believe we demonstrated that the whole syncing process to initiate a 11B platform can be very painless in terms of both the software installation and an actual initial setup. And the waiting time, in my opinion, using a light client is actually pretty good. Because we're able to fully sync from nothing about within 10 minutes. Yeah. So thank you, and stay tuned for more updates from 11B YouTube channel. Bye.